Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Now, I don't like to sound smug, but I'm going to. Liverpool announced this morning that the upper tier of the Anfield Road stand won't be ready until October. Now, I mentioned this 2 months ago and I got pelted for it. I got slagged off by all the main organisations as well, you know, the websites, the other YouTube channels, the ones that get access to talk to Liverpool, if you like. And they said, well, Liverpool haven't said anything to us, so it mustn't be true. You know, well, you have to dig deeper than what Liverpool tell you. Liverpool will only tell you what they want you to hear. So they'll tell you what you want to hear, and then you'll tell the rest of the world. Okay, you have to dig a bit deeper. You have to try and get inside the club. You have to try and speak to people that know what's going on with the build, like I did. And I'm going to sound smug, because I am smug today. I don't expect any apologies off anyone, but it'd be nice if you did apologise. Because I had a lot more information to tell people, and I didn't because of the backlash it took from that video. I'll play it now. So I received a message off my person inside the ground, if you like. So the message read, Anfield Road upper will not be ready until a month into the season. Not sure if that's match ready or test event ready. The lower tier to open on time, but will be bare bones on the concourse. Okay, so that's a message I'm relaying on to you lot. Make it that what you will. Right, so I was given some news yesterday. I'll just keep the camera on there for a minute. About when the stand is likely to open. Now, Buckingham apparently told Liverpool yesterday, I got this news yesterday on Monday around 5 PM. Okay, so Buckingham officially told Liverpool yesterday that they are behind with the build. Okay, the expected length of the delay is unknown, but it's likely to be around a month following the start of the Premier League season. So it's a month after the season starts that it'll be ready. So there you're here, me telling you 2 months ago with the text message exactly what Liverpool have announced today, over 2 months later. That was the last game of the season, that, when I announced that. There was supposed to be a press release, which didn't happen. I don't know why it didn't happen. They should have told the press, so the press could tell the fans. Okay? But nothing got said. Why, I don't know. Maybe the club would like to answer that question, but I doubt they will. Or maybe those in the know would like to answer that question, because I doubt you know either, unless Liverpool will tell you. Do some digging, you might find out. Right, I'll leave that there for now. But the amount of information I had as well, and I could have shared it, but I didn't, because I was too worried about what people might say and think. And because they've got a bigger platform, they can discredit me to a lot of people. Well, I hope you tell all them people that I was right. And I was right 2 months ago. Now, the issue I've got with this is, someone contacted me yesterday. I don't know what country they're from, but they're coming from another country. That's all I know. He said, we're travelling from our country. So they've bought corporate tickets for the Anfield Road. Now, I don't know if the corporate section is going to be ready or not. That's something I don't know. I'm guessing it won't be. And they've bought corporate tickets and flights to the UK to take his son to the match. Now, it's not ready, and Liverpool knew this 2 months ago. They should have told the fans, because this is going to cost them a lot of money. So they've still got to come to the UK but not make it to the match. What'll get done about that, I don't know, because they're going to need refunding more than the ticket. Right, it seems to have gone a bit quiet on site here. I'm going to go over the top because I've got some information about seating. Remember I was asking yesterday about the away fans, where they're going to sit. I'm going to stay high today because I want to keep a good signal to drone. So, the information I have about seating the away fans is they're all going to be in that section still. So nothing changes there for Premier League. However many ticket allocation they get, which is around 2,500, 3,000 tickets I think that they get. So that's not going to change. Carling Cup, they're going to get the whole bottom row of the Annie Roads. Now FA Cup, in previous seasons they had the whole stand, because the capacity is bigger now. They're only going to get the whole bottom row plus a portion of the top tier as well. Okay, so they get the whole bottom tier and a portion of the top tier. So that's my understanding for all the competitions. Europa League will probably be the same as Premier League allocation, usually, innit? Yeah, they normally take up like half the lower stands. Okay, so that's the information I've got regarding away fans. So where that divider is in the main stand there, and people were wondering if that's where they're going to put away fans. No, someone said that's just to separate, well, to let the workers know that they can't go beyond that point when they're working. Okay, so that's the information I have on that. Okay, yeah, that's quite big news that Liverpool have announced. I think it's a bit late in the announcements of it, but all the people that, you know, pelted me for that information. People say that they like my videos, but I shouldn't really share news if I don't know anything about the build. I had a really good source. I said that from the start. I said he was a good source. I had no reason to doubt him, but people put doubts in my mind. So the other stuff that I got given, all the other information I got given, I didn't share it. I've got it all there. I can show you messages and dates. Obviously keeping the guy anonymous. But yeah, you just got to dig deeper, guys, into stuff. It's as simple as that. It's all well and good having a good relationship with the club, but if I'm not going to be honest with you, what's the point? What's the point? Now I'm expecting a backlash from the club for this, but you know what? I was right. There's no two ways about it. The information I was given was right, and it was pretty much spot on. It was pretty much word for word what Liverpool are saying today. I've probably got more. I've probably still got more info now than what Liverpool have actually announced. People wanted to have a look at this road here as well. They said it looks like forever stones on there. I think it's just block paving, innit? Block paving. Yeah, that's all it is. So when it got tarmacked and wondering why it was getting covered up again, it must have been like, was it hardcore that goes down for the block paving to go on? Again, I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm going to keep this video short today, guys. It's some guys there. I just thought it was worth mentioning. So keep it short. It'll probably go on a while. So other people have been asking me why I come here every day. Right. I come here every day because when I don't come here, people message me asking me if I'm okay. So it's to let people know I'm alright. So someone said that they were worried because I hadn't put a video today, right? And I'd probably say, well, you know what? Don't worry about me. I'm fine. I'm an adult. I can look after myself. But saying that, other people find this therapeutic. I've had a couple of messages saying that my videos help with their mental health. And if it helps one person, I'll come here every day and put a video out. If that's something that helps them, if that helps one person. And it isn't just one person that said it, it's a couple of people that have said it. There's one guy in hospital who's he says this is helping him get through his time in hospital. So if it helps people, I'll put it on. Does it matter if there's not much change? If people want to see, you know, Anfield and just have a good look around like I'm doing now, then I'll do it. I live just down the road. I've got time on my hands. I can do that for you. It's just when people say, "What? Why are you going there every day?" There's not much change. You're right. There's not much change. But saying that, there is change. There's change every day. There's got to be change every day, or the stand won't even be ready for October when Liverpool say it'll be ready. Okay, so there's going to be change every day. Because you've noticed things that I don't when I'm flying around. I've heard that the crest is going to start getting put up on Monday. So if the other crest didn't go by, it's going to take all week to do it. Because they put that template up, they drill the holes in, then they put the framework up, and then they attach to whatever that material is. It looked like rubber to me, to the metal, and that'll be going on there. Oh yeah, another thing got right, and that was a total guess as well, when I said about the brickwork. Because people say, why is the brickwork slow? And I just guess, saying, well, maybe they can only do so many rows a day because of the weight of the bricks, which made sense in my head, but maybe it might have been a stupid comment to make, but apparently it's the correct comment to make. It's actually called courses and not rows. Okay, and a good brickie can lay 800 bricks a day. But there you go. Every day's a school day, as they say. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there, I think. There's not much going on, there's nothing to see. Okay, whatever. You know when Liverpool announced that this morning? I thought, yeah, I was right. I was right to announce that when I did. But it kind of angry as well that, you know, there's too many experts out there that know nothing. Like I get told, as I said, I get told a lot of stuff about Anfield, and I don't believe it. And that information I've been told has not come true. And I've thought, well, that can't be true. That won't happen. So I don't share it. If I think it's something worth sharing, which that was when I put breaking news on me thing, it's not clickbait. It's actually breaking news from a very reliable source. Okay, because I've been accused of clickbaiting before. Everything that's in my thumbnail is in the video. It's not clickbait. Clickbait is putting something on the thumbnail that's not in the video. Okay, now how YouTube works is you need an element of clickbait, so you need your thumbnail to stand out, because you know yourself, if you scroll through YouTube, you just flick through, and then something catches your eye, so you think, oh, stop on that and have a look, and it's got to be an eye catcher for people to stop and watch my channel. They watch it, if they like it, they subscribe, they like, they comment, and then that gives you your spread, and that's how you grow on YouTube, and that's how I'm trying to go on YouTube. Your thumbnail is 60 to 70% of your video. It's got to stand out. You've got to put something interesting in your thumbnail. I'll never clickbait. Yeah, it's fine. It's 1,000 metres in the air. So Craig's Adventures and Greybeards are here. They're just pointing out there's a plane in the sky. I'm flying at my legal limit, which I'm allowed to. He's not allowed to drop below that limit. So if he hits my drone, it's his fault. And if he hits my drone, he's pretty much going to crash into the ground. I nearly swore. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Little bit of a rant. Again, I don't like ranting. But I also don't like being called a liar. So the rant is justified. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you like this channel, please subscribe. It's important to me now. This is coming to an end. I've got other things planned, historical videos around Liverpool to start, and then I might start branching out to see how they go. Haunted Locations is the one I'm really looking forward to. I've ordered some kit now, EMF readers, stuff like that, to, you know, to catch stuff. Now I'm a massive skeptic, so if I don't think it's real, I'll say, nah, this isn't real. That's that noise there was a twig breaking or something daft like that, you know what I mean? I'll try and poo-poo if I can. If I can't, then you'd have me word for it that there's something real. But I'm yet to be a believer in the supernatural, so I'm looking forward to making these. Right, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. As always, look after yourselves, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye now. Right, guys, I'm back. Sorry about this. It's an important day, but it's even more important because it's my son's birthday and I nearly forgot to give him a mention, so thanks to Craig for reminding me. Yeah, it's my lad's birthday, so Thomas, happy birthday, mate. Teenager today, 13 years old, mate. So proud of you, your football, you're learning guitar. You're doing well at school. I couldn't ask for any better. I try and bring you up the right way, as I do the other boys. Okay, so yeah, mate, have a great birthday today. We all love you. I've also got some mentions to do that I should have done on Friday, but it rains all weekends. So I've got a couple of anniversaries to mention. I've got some mentions for people, and I think there's a birthday in there as well. So everything's going to be belated, but it'll all be getting mentioned in tomorrow's video. But again, Thomas, happy birthday, mate. You've already opened your presents, so let's hope the rest of the day is good, mate. Okay, see you soon. Nice, everyone else, bye now. Speak to you all soon.